Hey everybody, it's the Plumber. Today we're going to talk about PEX-A. But first I'd like to thank Home Depot Pro Trades and HD Supply for sponsoring today's video. To shop all Apollo products and more, visit ebarnett.com. So when it comes to PEX-A and its fittings, you're going to need what's called an expansion tool. This can be either manual or battery operated. For today's video, I'm going to be utilizing a battery operated expansion tool. It's by far the fastest way to expand the PEX and connect the fittings. Apollo PEX-A uses an expansion style fitting. These fittings are much larger in diameter than PEX-B fittings. Using the expansion tool, you enlarge the pipe and sleeve in order to slide in the fitting. The great thing about Apollo PEX-A is it's ultra flexible. And Apollo offers a 25-year warranty on their product, and they will honor the warranty on the products even when installed with other manufacturing products. Another great thing about PEX-A is that it eliminates the risk of flow restriction. PEX-A fittings are the same diameter as the pipe. Additionally, the expansion fitting is ergonomic for tight spaces. So remember that you can get the products featured in this video at ebarnett.com. And again, thank you to Home Depot Pro Trades and HD Supply for sponsoring this video.